There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango GT in F8 green. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number 475458.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.